Hello.
Hello, patrons. We are in the Canary Islands, and we've turned Delos into work mode. Check this out. Got our laptops out, editing. So it is a full-on office here. Office in my underwear, of course. We just wanted to say...
Yeah, wow. Thank you guys so much for everyone who took the time to answer our questions for the Atlantic crossing that we have coming up.
Yeah.
I guess when we posted it, we thought that, something this kind of last minute and for this long of a trip that maybe 5 or 10 people would be available to do it. And I think we had 65 people turn in the questionnaire. So
It's incredible that there's 65 of our patrons that are willing to drop everything in their life and fly across an ocean or fly a long distance to join us and sail across an ocean.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that. I was like, oh, there will probably be like maybe 5 or 10 people.
Right.
So it's really, really special and humbling and very difficult.
Yeah, it's hard. It's, we've been taking the last few days and reading them, and I'm just sitting here reading them now, and that's why we're making this video, because it's so hard to read just a few sentences about someone and really get to know them. I'm sure there's so many cool people. I mean, just based off the patrons that we've met before, we've actually become really good friends with a lot of them, and just knowing that there's more of you out there, it's hard to...
Special. I wish we had a boat. Like if we had a big boat to fit like 50 people.
That'd be sweet.
I don't know how good that would be crossing the ocean.
It would probably be crazy, but
yeah,
it's we wish that we had the space on Delos to get to know all of you, but we pretty much just wanted to say thank you for everything, and thank you for taking the time to fill out that questionnaire. I know there's a lot of responses that people really took a lot of time and put a lot of energy into, so thank you guys for that. We are taking the time to read through them all. And then we need to make a decision sometime in the next few days.
Yeah, so the next step is basically that we will contact a few of you, like some of the messages that really touched us, or we just felt that it would be a really good fit to have you on board for that long of a crossing. It's a pretty big commitment, so a lot of things go into actually thinking about it, but we're going to contact those of you who we want to kind of get to know more and see what happens from there, basically.
That's it.
Yeah, I have a good feeling about it and really excited about the passage coming up, so it'll be really fun.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys, and for those of you that we'll be contacting you in the next couple of days over Patreon Messenger, so check your Patreon messages.
Okay, thank you guys.
Bye, guys. Have a beautiful day.